Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to organize your Steam games. To organize your Steam games, we have some methods for you. First method, use Steam collections. Open Steam and go to your library. Launch Steam and click on the Library tab. Click on Collections and the left panel. Create a new collection. Click Create a collection, give it a name, and choose Dynamic or Manual. So I choose Manual for this. Add games to the collection. Drag and drop games into the collection or use filters to auto-organize them. Save and access collections easily. Your collections will now appear in the library for easy browsing on the left panel. Next method, use Steam categories. Go to your Steam library, open Steam, and click on Library. Right-click on the game and choose Add to. New collection. This allows you to organize games by categories like RPGs, favorites, to play, started, etc. Name your category and save it. You can create multiple categories to organize games based on genre, completion status, or mood. Drag other games into the category. Once a category is created, you can add more games by dragging them into it. Filter and view the category. Use the sort by or group by feature to quickly find games under different categories. Last method, use Steam's favorite feature. Open Steam and go to your library. Navigate to your game collection. Right-click on the game and choose Add to Favorites. This spins the game to a special favorites section for quick access. Repeat for other frequent played games. You can add as many games as you want to this section. Sort games within the favorites list. Drag and rearrange them in any order for better organization. Use favorites for your most played games. This is a great way to prioritize games you're currently playing. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.